the only probability which I see, Pramod, in this whole equation is RG and AAP coming in a comfort zone. To Poilar, in the last few days, maybe they are also thinking similarly that AAP also has been consistently saying that Congress is a party of defectors, we don't want to align with them, we don't want any association with them. I don't see now AAP going back and aligning again and joining that coalition, alliance the way they have gone about. Atishi talking, all central leaders, Kejriwal talking, local leaders talk. Local leaders were in favor of alliance, but because of this central leadership,
they have taken a position now.
Yeah. So, Tinun Bidar, looking at a grand alliance, India alliance, impossible. I don't think it is possible as of now because there's too much of chaos. What I genuinely feel is that possibly RG and AAP coming together because they are looking at the same kind of targets, same kind of thinking that defectorang bahir dotale, we are fighting for a similar cause. Both are saying that BJP is our target and openly tani mulla bhi aata. So in the last few days, the kind of a comfort which is building up between AAP and RG, tinun bhitar kita tari asa and Palekar going to Delhi again and saying that there is some kind of a news which is coming in. If it is for a grand alliance, it would have been at a bigger scale. They would have announced saying that okay, we are looking at an alliance now. But I don't think they are looking at the grand alliance. They are looking at this alliance with RG.